How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Forest River Palomino Solaire. This is going to be their 3150 TBSS floor plan, brand new for 2025. We're going to start with our pass-through storage first, so you can see that you have a ton of storage underneath here. And then taking a step back, you can see that we have dual axle on this travel trailer, as well as a massive awning that stretches over the campsite of the travel trailer. Looking down at the tires, you can tell that we do have dual axle and TV backer up top there. At the very back of this travel trailer, you have a little bit of more outdoor storage for some extra camping supplies. And then you have your spare tire, lippert ladder backer up at the top, as well as backup camera prep. But I want to get on the inside and check this guy out. Let's go. On the inside of this camper, at the very back, it's going to have a bunk system like I've never seen before. So on the left side here, you're going to have your upper bunk. It's kind of in the shape of an S. You have your storage. And then on the right side, you're going to have your lower bunk, which is really, really neat. Obviously, you do have outlets and chargers on either side of the bunks because we know those kids love their electronics. Moving to the one and only slide out, you have a couch. It does fold into a bed for some late night stragglers, freestanding dinette, and then across from all of that, you're going to have your entertainment center. So you have your smart TV, sound system, fireplace down below, and then what is a new travel trailer without some hidden pantry storage? Take a look at that. You, of course, have your 12-volt refrigerator and a 3-burner cooktop with your oven down below, single basin sink, tons and tons of cabinetry, which we love to see, microwave above that. And then going through this door here, we're going to find our pass-through bathroom. So you have a porcelain toilet down below, a massive shower. Really has no business being this big and this size of a travel trailer. You have your skylight up above. Across from all of that, you have your medicine cabinet, sink, washer dryer prep. What is happening right now? You've got your more towel storage, and then going through this door here, you have your main bedroom. So this is a queen size bed. You have a nice LED light strip up there to complete the ambiance. Chargers and outlets on either side, a little CPAP storage for you, and then there's going to be that second entrance that we saw on the outside. All right, guys, I want to know what you guys thought about this travel trailer. Drop a comment down below. This is going to be your 2025 Palomino Solaire 3150 TBS. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You're going to have your upper bunk. It's kind of in the shape of an S. You have your storage, and then on the right side, you're going to have your lower bunk.